Hello everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Instagram as a beginner. First, to download the Instagram, go to Google Play Store on your smartphone. Click on search bar and type Instagram. Then tap on Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing. Once it is installed, tap Open. If you are new to the Instagram, then you have to create a new account, which is shown in my other video. The link is in description below. And if you already have an account, click on Login. Your Instagram account now is opened. First, we will learn how to change profile picture. Here, go to the profile on the down right corner of your phone. You can see Edit Profile there. Click on it. Then click on Profile and select New Profile Picture as shown in the video. From here, you can choose the picture you want. There you go. Now your profile picture has been changed. Now, to create a post in Instagram, tap the plus icon located at the bottom corner of the screen. Choose the image you want to share. Now click on the next button. Here you can see the options of edit. From here you can adjust your photo, change brightness, color, structure and many more. You can also see the filter icon on top right corner. Choose the one you like and click on tick icon and click on next. Then you can write a suitable caption to your post. You can also add location, tag people and add music from click on wait for a few seconds and go to your profile to see the uploaded post. Now, in the same way you can create a reel. Go to the plus icon at bottom center, slide to the reel option. Choose the video you want as your reels in your Instagram. Here, you can also edit your video as per your requirement. You can add music to your reels, add sticker, captions, and many other features. Here I am adding only some music to my video. After you finish the editing, click on next button and create a caption suitable for your reels. Then you can share the reels. After a few seconds, your reel will appear on your profile. Now I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram password. Go to the profile on bottom right corner. Click on three horizontal line in the top right corner. Go to the account center, scroll down a bit and click password and security. There you can see the option of change password. From here you can change your password. First type your current password, then new password you want, and again retype your new password. Then after, click on change password. There you go, now you have successfully changed your password. You can also share your Instagram profile on various other apps. To do so, click the back button and go to your profile. There you can see the option of share profile next to edit profile. As you can see, you can share your profile on many other apps as shown in the video. You can also copy the link or download. You can also change your account privacy on the Instagram. To do so, click on bottom right corner of the screen and scroll down to the account privacy. From there, you can set your account as a private account or public account as you wish. Now to log out from the Instagram, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the screen. There you can see the option of logout. Click on it and click logout. And there you go, you have successfully logged out your account from the Instagram. Now I will show you how to delete the Instagram account. Go to the Google Store again, type Instagram, click on Instagram icon, and there you have the option to uninstall. Click on uninstall. There you go, you have uninstalled your Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also hit the notification bell.